welcome to my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight, today, whenever you're watching this video. This video is going to be really quick, really short, really sweet, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I think about the Black Radiance contour palette that everyone has talked about. And so I said, let me try it out and see if I actually like it. So the answer is yes. I'll go ahead and do that. This is what it looks like. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I have the shade medium to dark. Now, I will do a tutorial later if you guys want to see how I actually apply this. I do use this and it does work. So if you're close to my skin tone, a little bit darker, you're going to love this palette. One thing I love about it so much is that the pigmentation, it is so pigmented. It's not like one of those eyeshadows that you put on and it's on there and it's like, did I even do anything? Like it's see-through? No, this has very good pigmentation on your skin. I actually have swatched the colors on my wrist, but I'm going to go ahead and let you see the colors that are inside. You can clearly see which one I use the most: the contour shade, the sculpt shade, and the highlight shade. And like I said, depending on your color skin tone is what you're going to use these for. Just because it says contour, sculpt, and highlight, they're not saying that's what you have to use it for. I used this palette wrong at first because I was using this contour as my contour and it was a little too dark for my skin. But if you're a little darker than me, it will be the perfect shade for you because, like I said, the powders are smooth, they are pigmented, and they're just like very good. Like I said, I used the sculpt color to sculpt my nose, my forehead, and my cheekbone area. The highlight is perfect if you do not want an extreme highlight. It is not like a very like glow. You know how we got some serious glow going on, and nothing's wrong with that. It depends on the day and if I really want to be that glowy. But if you're looking for an everyday go to work, just put on some makeup to feel good, going out to the store, you just want that natural glow, this is a good highlight to get. If you're in the store or if you have seen this and you're just wondering, is it worth it? Is it worth the $8 to $10? It's not expensive at all. I got mine at Meijer's, so you just have to check, you know, your local stores. It's in the drugstore. You don't have to order it online or anything like that. It's very accessible. So I would recommend you purchasing this. I love it, and I will be repurchasing again. And I wanted to show you guys, I've swatched my wrist. These are the colors. This is the darkest shade, this is the medium shade, and this is the highlight. They have this medium color here, which is so pretty. That's the color I use for contour. And then they do have this darker shade here that you can use as well. So, yep, that's it. Told you guys this was going to be really short and sweet, but this is just for those that might be wondering, should I get it? Is it worth the hype? Yes. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. And if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. If you've tried this and you like it, leave your response down below. Maybe it can help somebody else, persuade them to get it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.